Hey everyone, welcome back to another interesting video. I am Deepankar and today I will talk about a topic that many of you have been asking about: how to delete an Instagram account. Instagram is like a black hole of endless scrolling, FOMO, and comparing yourself to picture perfect lives. That's the reason many people want to get out of Instagram jail by deleting Instagram account. Deleting an Instagram account has never been a straightforward process. Meta keeps changing the options to make it difficult for people to leave the social media platform. With the introduction of Account Center, the process to delete the Instagram account has been changed again. In today's video, I will tell you how you can delete your Instagram account, so keep watching. Although Instagram is also available on the web, most people use it on mobile phones. So I will show you the whole process on Instagram's app. The steps are the same for both Android and iOS. Open the Instagram app and go to your profile. Now tap the hamburger icon and go to Settings and Privacy. Here tap Account Center. Now go to Personal Details. On the new page, tap Account Ownership and Control. Tap Deactivation or Deletion. Now you have to select the account you want to delete. I added both Facebook and Instagram accounts in the Account Center, so I can see both accounts here. As I want to delete my Instagram account, I have to tap my Instagram account. Here we get two options: deactivate and delete. If you want to take a break from Instagram for a few days, weeks or months, you can deactivate the account. Your Instagram profile will be hidden from the platform until you reactivate it. So you will be able to continue using Instagram with the same profile again. If you no longer want to use the Instagram account and have no plans to use this account in the future, you can delete the account. Your Instagram profile, photos, videos, comments, likes and followers will be permanently deleted. Now if you have decided to permanently delete your Instagram account, tap delete account and then continue. It will ask you to select a reason why you want to delete your Instagram account. Select a reason and tap continue. Now it will ask you to enter Instagram account password to confirm your account ownership. After you enter the correct password, it will initiate the deletion process. After 30 days of your account deletion request, your account and all your information will be permanently deleted. During those 30 days, the content will not be accessible to other people on Instagram. It may take up to 90 days to complete the deletion process after it begins. You can also delete your Instagram account on desktop using a web browser. Options remain the same. Click More, Settings, Account Center, Personal Details, and then Account Ownership and Control. Here click Deactivation or Deletion. Select the Instagram account you want to delete. Now select Deactivate account or Delete account as per your need and then continue. That's it. You have successfully deleted your Instagram account. If you ever decide to come back, you will need to create a new account. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and tips. You can also share it with your friends who might need a break from Instagram. If you have any questions or if there's a specific topic you would like us to cover, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.